The Hörmann rollmatic is a unique automatic roller door with lots of individual features. It's got a superior look, the smooth finish on each lath creating a high-quality feel. Matching fascia and side guides in the same finish as the laths create a complete look. Active safety is a feature of all Hörmann's doors, and as you can see, this one's no different. The minute it gets to an obstruction, it pings straight back up. The way this works is unique to Hörmann garage doors because the door panel is linked directly to the roller shaft. The chain drive from the external operator and its inbuilt force limitation detects an obstruction and immediately reverses. Others need additional safety edge devices to do this. As well as active safety, there are also passive measures like this barrel casing, which comes as standard and eliminates any risk of fingers getting trapped inside. And whilst we're on finger trapping, these covers over the springs prevent fingers getting trapped here. The operator's on the outside of the barrel, which prevents overheating and makes any routine maintenance a little bit easier. There's also a light here, which turns on and off when the door's operated. The unique spring tension technology makes the door movement smoother and also prevents wear and tear in the operator. And in the event of any power failure, all you need to do is pull on this cord here and you're in manual mode. Once in manual mode, it's easy to move about. You won't need an awkward crank handle and it won't come crashing down. It'll stay where it's put. This soft edge helps the door to seal even when the ground's uneven. So, if it's space-saving, security and safety you're after, the rollmatic is your door.